Hi everyone. This week Claire and I are off to Sri Lanka and we are leaving right now. I've just left the office. I'm going to pick her up at her office and we're going straight to the airport and we're going to spend a week in Sri Lanka. Come along. Hello. We're going on Alibaba.
Yes, we are. But we need to go right now.
Yeah,
right now because we're going to be like,
Cakes.
cakes.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
So we finally made it to Sri Lanka. We're really tired. We got picked up at the airport. Eventually, the man was a little late, and but we got here in the end. So we're in a hotel. There's a massive storm outside. The place is flooded. It's pretty bad, but we've been told it's all good. Tomorrow it'll be sunny again and dry, and then tomorrow night it'll rain again. We also learned that our tour is very bespoke. Yes, it's pretty much one guy driving us all over the country and showing us everything. There's no buses, no trains, just a man. What was his name? Ajit?
Or Rohan.
Yeah, I can't remember names.
Very nice man.
We've been travelling for the last 15, 16 hours, tired.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
After a 3-hour drive, we're at the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage and we're going to take a look at some of the elephants. Right, we've done the elephant orphanage. Now we're going to drive for another 3 hours until we get to the hotel, and then a good driver, Ajit. Let's go.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin.
We've pulled over at this roadside cafe and we're going to have some coconut rotis. See how that is. Yeah.
Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
We have some time before we need to be at the hotel, and since we're driving past the Dambulla Cave temple anyway, we decided to stop there.
In our hands, attack and fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
And that's it for the first part of our Sri Lanka trip. Please look out for new parts which I will upload shortly. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here are a few scenes from the next video.